Let's add some external links, like a YouTube channel or LinkedIn profile. To create a link to an external resource, we use the A tag. So let's create a link for YouTube and then another one for LinkedIn. Right now, these don't work because the href attribute is empty. I will add my YouTube channel and LinkedIn links like this. So just paste the address to the href attribute. By default, clicking a link replaces our page. To open it in a new tab, add target _blank and for a second link as well. This tells the browser to open the link in a new tab instead of leaving our site. Feel free to include more links, such as your social media. I will add my GitHub link, A, and the GitHub address, target _blank, GitHub. We can now remove this extra new line above the heading. To sum up, use A tag to create links. Use the href attribute to store the URL. Use target _blank to open links in a new tab.